Hello guys, did you miss my YouTube hopes? Yes? Okay, here I am with a new one. I haven't done any in the first part of the year, but some of my friends invite me to this one and I couldn't say no, because this is about our favorites and is a special art journal edition. That means that you will find lots of artists from all around the world making art journal pages with something favorite on them. Maybe it's the idea, or maybe the colors, or maybe the products, something. You have to discover that. This hop will last 1 week, starting today, Monday, and finishing on Sunday. We will pick winners on 26th and we'll announce them on 31st. So follow me on my social media, YouTube and Instagram, so you can find out if you are one of the winners. To take part on this hop, you just have to watch the videos. You will find the playlist following this hashtag. So then you leave some love in the comments and give us thumbs up, and also subscribe. It's very important to subscribe to all the channels. That's all, guys. Hola. ¿Habéis echado de menos los YouTube Hop en mi canal? Bueno, en la primera parte del año no he hecho ninguno, pero algunas de mis amigas me han invitado a este y no podía decir que no, porque es sobre nuestros favoritos. Y además es una edición especial de Art Journal, con lo cual vais a encontrar un montón de vídeos de artistas de todo el mundo haciendo páginas de Art Journal. Y participar es súper sencillo. Todo lo que tenéis que hacer es ver los vídeos, dejarnos un comentario amoroso, darle me gusta y suscribiros a todos los canales. Es súper importante. Anunciaremos los ganadores en nuestras redes sociales, así que seguidme en Facebook y en Instagram. Tenéis una semana para participar, desde hoy lunes hasta el domingo. El día 26 elegiremos los ganadores y los anunciaremos el 31. Así de fácil, sí señor. Ahí tenéis en la cajita de descripción toda la información. ¡Mucha suerte!
Feel the air getting colder. I know something's missing here. I need your warmth right here. I need you to light a fire. Can you reach me in time? Can you find me in time? I'm waiting just on you. I'm waiting just on you. Now you gonna find me. Are you gonna find me? I need to know you'll be here in time. I need to know you'll be here in time.